Firstly, we need to go to Metamask's official website. Once there, click Download Now. On this page you will see the different devices you can download Metamask for. In this case, we are using Google Chrome. Click Install Metamask for Chrome. Next, click Add to Chrome. Then, click Add Extension. Welcome to Metamask. Let's click Get Started. On this page we have two options. This video is about how to import your already existing data into Metamask via your seed phrase. So we will click Import Wallet. On this page we will need to type in or paste our 12-word seed phrase into the boxes provided. Then create a password. Congratulations, you have successfully imported your data into the Metamask wallet. Please read these bullet points as it is crucial for the protection of your information. Now you are on the Metamask home screen. I would recommend pinning Metamask to your browser by clicking on extensions in the top right like so, and then pin. It makes it much more accessible going forwards. The Metamask icon will appear right next to it.